In this video, we will learn how to fix your Bluetooth that is not working. So let's start. Okay, you have to go to your computer search, and in this you have to search the device manager. Okay, when you are in the device manager, then you have to go to this Bluetooth option. Here you will have this four things. First is the Bluetooth device, then is the Intel wireless Bluetooth, Microsoft Bluetooth numerator, and Microsoft Bluetooth LE numerator. Just right click it, and right click, you have to update its first driver, then click here on search automatically for driver. Your computer should be connected to the internet. It has to install the latest driver, because most of the time Bluetooth drivers are updated and systems are not updated. That's why Bluetooth stopped working. So you can see that my driver is already updated, so it's working good. Then you have to right click here and update its driver. Search automatically for driver. You can see that best driver is already installed in it. Then you have to click on third one, and third one go. If you double click it here, then this options open. Click here at driver, and then go to update driver. Search automatically considered, and then update the fourth driver, and you will see that your Bluetooth will start working.